What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've been using the Galaxy Z Fold 6 since its launch, and I have some thoughts. And as you can see from the title down below, we're going to be talking about this device and how I feel like we need a Galaxy Z Fold Ultra. And I'm going to have a separate video on my honest thoughts about using it, the actual part of using this phone and my experience with it, but that's going to be for a different video. Here I want to talk about having a Z Fold Ultra because I'm coming from the Galaxy S24 Ultra as well as the OnePlus Open, but I'm going to pretty much refer to the S24 Ultra in this video because there are a lot of things that this flagship device offers that I think the Z Fold 6 should offer. And also, by the way, if you want to check out these awesome cases for the Z Fold 6, this one is from Banks as well as this one, and it actually did help me a couple days ago when I did drop my phone and I got my case scuffed right here, but thankfully I had this because I protected the back of my phone. I unfortunately got the side scuffed, but for the most part the phone is still in great shape. And if you also do want to check out this case from them as well, I love this case. This is the Istanbul case from Banks. Again, definitely be sure to check them out as well. But pretty much referring to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and it being an Ultra, I think we should have got some sort of a titanium build, and that should have carried on from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And not only that, I think we should have gotten some sort of anti-reflective coating display, at least on the outer. If you can't put it in the inner display because of the crease and all that stuff, I kind of understand that, but not having on the outer display kind of is irritating, especially when you do get used to having the anti-reflective display on the S24 Ultra. It's hard to go back to an old phone or a phone that doesn't have it. So going back to, I guess, older tech or just tech that wasn't there or features that wasn't there. And I also think we should get some sort of a better hinge, which would essentially equate to even less of a crease. And here's the thing, competitors have done this. OnePlus Open crease, it's still there, it's present, but it's less noticeable than the Z Fold 6. And I really want to talk about the crease because I've seen people telling me in some comments here on YouTube as well as on my TikTok, which has some nasty comments, by the way, that the crease, why are you talking about the crease? It's a waste of time, it's not important, blah, blah, blah. Here's the thing, when someone picks it up, they notice the crease. But once you start to use the phone and you get used to it, then that crease kind of starts to go away from your eyesight. Like it just doesn't really it stops bugging you until you start thinking about it again. And that's why I really wish Samsung did a better job with the crease, because you can kind of get rid of the crease a little bit more like the OnePlus Open or like other competitors outside of the US. But for the most part, those competitors still have a crease too. This one is just more visible. So hopefully with maybe Z Fold 7, if they don't release an Ultra, they'll put it out there with a better crease. I don't know, we'll see. But I wish that was something we had maybe in like an Ultra. A wider outer display. I don't know about you, but and with the reviews of this, I guess it's a little bit wider, the cover display, than its predecessors, but it still feels a little bit too tight, especially when I'm typing. And if you're coming from a foldable like the OnePlus Open, and I am coming from the OnePlus Open, that felt like a conventional smartphone. So it was really easy to type and really easy to use that outer display. This one just feels a little bit tight to use. It's usable and I use it quite often, but I still just like the comfort of the OnePlus Open a little bit more. Not only that, we should get 24 gigs of RAM, really throw in a lot of RAM. You're paying a premium price for this. You're paying $1,900. I think we should be getting the best of the best, 16 gigs of RAM or 24 gigs of RAM. And Samsung Galaxy S24, at this point S25 Ultra camera quality. Yeah, we're getting a triple camera setup here on the Z Fold 6, but it's not good like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. That I can tell you right off the bat. And if you want to see a comparison video between the two, let me know in the comments down below. I am planning on making one. but I really wish they literally had the same setup of the camera with the S24 Ultra or upcoming S25 and just carry it onto the Galaxy Z Fold, potential Z Fold Ultra. They didn't do it for the Z Fold 6, so just maybe make it an Ultra because that's in its name, Ultra. You kind of need the best of the best. 5,000 milliamp hour battery at the minimum. This is a 4,400 milliamp hour battery. Battery life's okay, like it's good, but it's not like super duper amazing quality. S24 Ultra is much, much better in the battery department, and also faster charging speeds. 45 watts at the minimum. Yeah, this is like 25 watts, and it's not that fast of charging. So I kind of wish there was faster charging speeds. And also, the thing is, with an Ultra, this has S Pen compatibility, but the Z Fold 6 can only have that compatibility if you have the case for it, and the case, the S Pen just sits on the back of the case. Whereas if this had S Pen support like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, that would have been super nice. Now that would have made it a true foldable, an Ultra foldable. It's just an S Pen built in and you're all set to go. And also get rid of this under display camera. I don't think it's there yet. The technology is just not mature enough, or the quality at least is not the greatest. Just put a normal front facing camera in the inner display and it would be much, much better. But everything else about it so far, at least for me, I absolutely love. Oh, and also the speakers. Make the speakers just a little bit better. And there we have it, a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Ultra, or anything. Pretty much the main thing is you want to carry the Ultra specs, the Ultra quality of the S24 Ultra into the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But Samsung, I hope you do end up coming across this video, maybe. And if you take note into your upcoming Ultra, if it's actually true, I mean right now it's a rumor, or if it's for the Z Fold 7, but it'd be really nice. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely be sure to smash the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. I'll help push my content out to more people. And also be sure to check out my latest wallpaper pack. It's called Urban Glow. Links are in the description down below. I've got these cases from Banks, absolutely love them for both Z Fold 6. I got it for the Z Flip 6, S24 Ultra right here. Like this city case, Istanbul, is my favorite case by far. But that's been it for me, guys. It's pretty late for me. I'm going to probably head to bed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.